Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanumotors. Today I got Mercedes CLS state vehicle. Basically, what happened? You can see back wheel, it went down, and also the front. You can see it's in the correct height. Basically, this car has a back air suspension. Then I'm going to diagnostic what's the cause for the this both side. It's going down. You can see the other side. That side also very down. That's means something not right. Look like to me compressor. If it air suspension failure, then it will going one side down. But however, this car gone down both side. That's mean I feeling something not right with the compressor or look like to me. However, I'm going to jack up the car and check what's going on there. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon. Then you can get lot of useful video and tips like this. Let's go to the job. I jack up the car and remove this cover underneath. It's holding with 4 10mm nuts. Then after that I'm using my power probe and I'll explain you what I done here. Then this is the motor, you can see, and I'll remove from here. Then give the power for the motor working. Then after that I check all wire in line, and after that I found this is the connector for the vacuum pump. This is connector for the vacuum pump control. You can see this wire broken. That's why the causing all problem. Then I'll remove from the connector and I done the amendment wire. Now I'm going to reconnect everything and start the car and have a look what's going on there. Right, we already removed the axle stand and jack. Now it's in the floor level. Then I'm going to start the car. We'll see what's going on there now. You can see tire also went up. You can see slightly it's going up. Yeah, now you know what's the cause for the problem. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Also, still if you not subscribe my channel, please do it and press bell icon. Then you can get our useful video and tips like this. Thank you. See you with the next video. Now you can see nice and up. Thank you.